Mining can be a dusty business. Dust on mines can cause increased wear and tear, reduced efficiency, cause corrosion, and even be a fire and explosion hazard. Proper dust management is critical for all plant and machinery. Fitting a pre-filter to your machinery improves the life of your filter media by up to 9 times. The FloSolve centrifugal filtration system, known as CFT, can be fitted to many different types of machinery. CFT systems are focused on delivering reduced maintenance costs. Each CFT filter is made up of a bank of vortex tubes. Let's have a look at how they work. Dust enters the vortex tube, here. The vortex causes the air to be spun through the scavenge opening. Dust particles are forced to the outside and expelled through opening in the side of the tube. Pre-filtered air is then sent to the main filter on the machine. What are the benefits of a CFT system? Less dust load on filter media. Extended life of standard filter media, as well as extended engine life. More efficient machine operation and reduced carbon footprint. To learn more or get a quote, contact FloSolve today. Visit www.flosolve.co.za to get in touch.